Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Civic, that generation between year 2016 and year 2021. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where your front camera fuse is located. You may have up to 3 fuses that you need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain what you need to check in this video today, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. We're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So let's explain what we have here specifically now, guys, and which fuse we need to check for that. So we're going to come here and demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic that we have here at the garage. So if you open the driver's side door, you get under the dash on this side, right under the dash, guys, right there. If you look upside down, you're going to see a fuse box, and that fuse box looks just like this one. That will be your OBD port. Right next to it will be the fuse box. We are going to zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see where all the fuses are located. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't actually, guys, just waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The front camera fuse, where it's located. So if we come in that row right here, you're going to see you have a number 1 here, number 13 here. So fuses go that way, in order, and the fuse that we'll need to check is fuse number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 5M fuse will need to be checked here. Then we need to check, for the front camera, fuse number 17. So that's fuse number 14 here, 15, 16, 17. That 10M fuse will need to be checked. And we have one more that's actually fuse number 24, guys. So that's fuse number 26, 25, 24. That 5M fuse here. Or we can start from this side, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 24, that fuse right here. So these fuses will need to be checked specifically for the front camera. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.